Hello and welcome to A Waste Free World videos. Today I'm talking to you about natural shampoo, why you should use it, and more importantly, how to use it. Natural shampoo has become very popular recently for many reasons. One of the biggest reasons is usually natural shampoo comes plastic free, but the biggest reason is for the ingredients inside of it and avoiding all horrible ingredients that we usually put on our head and our scalp that we're not actually very aware of. Some legislations in various countries mean they don't actually have to even tell you what ingredients are in the shampoo. So probably there's some ingredients that aren't very healthy for your hair and for your scalp. Non-natural shampoos actually strip your hair of their natural oils, which is really vital for our hair. Non-natural shampoos usually contain a lot of ingredients if they do actually label it on the bottles. In fact, there will definitely be one of those ingredients which is toxic. Moving to a natural shampoo is a bit of a no-brainer. Here at A Waste Free World, we are stocking two types of natural plastic-free shampoo from Zero Waste Path, which is a UK company and they hand make all of their shampoos, all of their stuff. As it says here, they're natural, handmade, plastic-free, cruelty-free, vegan, palm oil-free, circular, and made with renewable energy. There's nothing really not to love about the packaging. Let's talk about natural shampoo bars. And the number one problem that most people have when they first started using shampoo bars, what they do is they just use the shampoo bar straight on their hair and expect everything to be amazing and their hair to look as good as it did if they were using all those toxic ingredients in the normal shampoos. But that is just not correct. There is a transition period between swapping from non-natural to natural shampoo. If you do use a natural shampoo bar straight onto your hair after using non-natural shampoos for years, it may feel a bit greasy, it may feel not very clean. And all that is the natural ingredients in the shampoo bar mixed with the natural oils in your hair, trying to fight against that bad shampoo that you used to use. So it does need a little bit of maintenance, and the best way to do that, especially when you're first using a shampoo bar, is 3 steps. So the first step before you use your natural shampoo bar is to do carbonate of soda or baking soda rinse. So then you're ready to use your natural shampoo bar. So with the shampoo bar, all you've got to do is get it wet, lather it in your hands, and then just massage it through your hair. You don't need to use a lot, and the amazing thing about this is it can last up to 10 times longer than a shampoo bottle can. Another amazing thing about the shampoo bars that we stock at Waste Free World is they don't require conditioner. So this shampoo bar is effectively a 2-in-1. You're not going to need to buy any more conditioner. So, however, they do recommend you using a vinegar rinse afterwards, which will kind of act as the conditioner itself. So, as you may or may have not noticed, my hair is a little bit dirty, it's ready for a wash. A lot of people have asked if you can wash your hair less with natural shampoo bars. I personally haven't seen much of a difference. However, for instance, I go swimming quite a lot. So yesterday I went swimming and I only rinsed my hair afterwards, so it really does need a wash. But I'm washing my hair about 3 times a week with this natural shampoo bar. And after a while, you're not going to need to use the rinses. You can just transition straight over to this natural shampoo. So I'm gonna go wash my hair and show you the results afterwards. And here we go, my freshly washed hair using my natural shampoo. So, as you can see, it's looking nice and clean and not greasy at all. And it looks exactly the same as if you were to be using normal shampoo. And I do actually feel like my hair has got a lot thicker since I've started using this natural shampoo. Probably because not as much hair is falling out anymore because I'm not using these toxic products. As I was in the shower washing my hair, I did have a thought about these 2 items that I spoke to you about before. So this bicarbonate of soda, yes, it is in plastic, but it has been in the back of my cupboard for probably the whole of my life. So hopefully you have got one too in the back of your cupboard. If you don't have one, ask a friend, ask somebody to see if you can just borrow 1 tablespoon of it, because really you only do need to use it once. The only other time that you probably would need to use it is if, say, you go away into a hotel or stay at a friend's house or something and you don't have your natural shampoo with you and you do have to use the normal shampoo. And when you do next use your shampoo, it probably is good to do a bicarbonate of soda rinse again. So these are kind of one of those items that hopefully you will have for a long time, have at the back of your cupboard, or can borrow from a friend. It is in plastic. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend buying it. And then with the cider vinegar, it's in a glass bottle, fully recyclable, and I got it from Co-op for about £1. So there we go, there is how best to use your natural plastic-free shampoo. I'm really excited for you all to try it. It definitely does take a little bit of work, and there is that transition period, but once you've managed to strip your hair of all those bad ingredients and toxins, you can then just start using the natural shampoo plastic-free bar without any of the other cider vinegar rinse or baking soda rinses. So head on over to A Waste Free World. We've got 2 types of these shampoo bars. They are only £4.50, which is only slightly more expensive than the plastic bottle ones, but as I said, it can last you up to 10 times longer. It's amazing to travel with. They're tiny, and you only need to buy 1 bar for your shampoo and conditioner, and your hair will look exactly the same as if you washed it with a horrible, toxic plastic bottle shampoo. So head on over to A Waste Free World, get your natural shampoo bar, and let me know how you guys get on.